You don't need a six-figure salary to start building wealth. You don't need to win the lottery. And you definitely don't need to wait until someday when the timing feels right. The truth is, anyone can build wealth from scratch, even if you're starting with just a few dollars in your pocket. In this video, I'll walk you through a practical step-by-step plan to help you go from surviving to thriving. No fluff, no hype, just real strategies that actually work. Let's get started. Step 1. Wealth starts with mindset. Here's the part most people skip. Wealth doesn't start in your wallet. It starts in your mind. If you believe that money is always out of reach, it will be. But if you believe that you can learn, grow, and take control of your financial future, you're already on the right path. Shift your inner voice from "I can't afford it" to "How can I afford it?" That one change can lead to better questions and better decisions. Step 2. Get control with a survival budget. Now that your mindset's in the right place, it's time to face the numbers. We're not talking about some fancy budget with 20 categories. We're talking about a survival budget. Track what you earn, what you spend, and where it's all going. Your goal is simple. Create a gap between income and expenses. Even if that gap is just $50 or $100 a month, that's your seed money. Use tools like Mint, Google Sheets, or the Notes app on your phone. No excuses, just awareness. Because you can't grow what you don't measure. Step 3. Build your first $1,000. Before we talk about investing or building assets, there's one thing you need: safety. Start building a mini emergency fund. Aim for $500 to $1,000. It's not about getting rich. It's about avoiding debt when life throws you a curveball. Car repairs, medical bills, surprise expenses. Without a safety net, you'll stay stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Put this fund in a high-yield savings account, out of sight but easy to access. It's your cushion, your first win. Step 4. Start investing with what you have now. It's time to plant the seed. Investing sounds complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Thanks to fractional shares and apps like Fidelity, Robinhood, or Acorns, you can invest with as little as $5. You don't need to know everything. Just get started. Stick with low-cost index funds, like the S&P 500, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. If you're not sure where to begin, even a robo-advisor can build a basic portfolio for you. The key isn't how much you invest, it's how often you invest. Consistency beats intensity every time. Step 5. Learn a high-income skill. Saving and investing are important, but earning more? That changes everything. If you're serious about building wealth from scratch, you need to focus on learning a high-income skill. This could be digital marketing, copywriting, financial coaching, coding, or even sales. These are skills that people and businesses pay real money for. And the best part? You can learn most of them for free, right here on YouTube or through platforms like Coursera and Skillshare. Don't just trade time for money. Build skills that multiply your time. Step 6. Protect your progress. Here's something most people miss. Protecting your wealth is just as important as building it. That means getting life insurance if others rely on you. Start with term life insurance. It's affordable and essential. If you want to build long-term wealth and protect your family, look into options like an indexed universal life (IUL) policy. Used wisely, it can provide both coverage and cash value growth. Also, don't forget retirement tools. If your job offers a 401k, take the match. If not, consider starting a Roth IRA. Future you is depending on the choices you make right now. Step 7. Own assets, not just stuff. At some point, you'll reach a new level of wealth building. One where you're not just saving or investing, you're owning. Wealthy people don't just make money, they own the things that make money. That might be real estate, a small business, dividend-paying stocks, or even digital assets. Ownership builds leverage. Leverage builds freedom. Start small, maybe with a side hustle or a few shares of a REI. The point is, stop trading all your time for money. Start owning things that work for you while you sleep. Final thoughts. Look, no one's going to build wealth for you. But the good news, you don't need anyone's permission. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need a finance degree. You just need a plan and the courage to take the first step. Start with what you have, build slowly, and keep going, even when it feels like nothing is happening. Because 5 years from now, you'll look back and realize that little decision to start, it changed everything. If this video helped shift your mindset or gave you a game plan, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this every week. Want a free beginner's wealth checklist or to talk to someone about your financial strategy? Check the link in the description. I've got something to help you get started. Your future is built by what you do today. So let's get to work.